An underrated feature in Procreate is Quick Menu. This menu can be set to quickly open shortcuts to your favorite actions with a single tap and lets you customize the way you work. Before you can use Quick Menu, it needs to be enabled by going to Actions, Preferences, Gesture Controls, and then select Quick Menu. You can select one of the 8 options to control which gesture opens this Quick Menu. Once you set it, use your chosen gesture to activate Quick Menu. Then tap and hold any one of the 6 buttons to set a Procreate shortcut for that action. I recommend selecting shortcuts for the actions you use the most. If you want to set up different quick menus for different ways of working, you can tap and hold the middle where it says Quick Menu and add as many profiles as you want. Layer Select lets you select a specific layer without having to go to the Layers panel. Using a customizable gesture, Layer Select displays all the layers associated within an area of your canvas as you move your pencil, allowing you to select the layer you want from a mini menu. To turn this feature on, go to Actions, Preferences, Gesture Controls, and Layer Select. Set up one of the 4 gesture options to activate Layer Select. Open your color panel, select Palettes, then drag the small bar at the top of the color panel away from the menu bar and place it anywhere on your canvas. Now you have a mini color companion with your custom palette right where you need it. This mini menu also works on any of the other color picker options. Another way to keep your creative flow is using a reference companion. This shows a smaller representation of your canvas or a reference image while you work. Reference Companion makes working on detail easier. To turn on Reference Companion, tap Actions, Canvas, and toggle on Reference. At the very top of your brush library is a category called Recent. Here you'll find the last 8 brushes you've used. In the reference section, simply slide left on the brush to reveal a pin option. Hitting pin keeps that brush at the top of your recent category and top of mind for you next time you need to use it. Procreate's brush size memory feature remembers up to 4 of your favorite sizes and opacities for each brush. On the brush slider, tap or hold your size or opacity slider to open the preview panel. Then tap the plus symbol in the top right-hand corner to set any size or opacity you want to remember. This works the same across the paint, smudge, and erase tools, allowing you to keep different settings across any of these tools.